Good morning, everyone. Sitting here about to take a trade for the day. I'm looking at the $100 call. We had a sharp drop off just now, but I think it's a sweep of liquidity. You'll see that we have a open MACD on the higher time frames. The wicks mean weakness. Whenever you see a wick pointing down, that means weakness to that side. So what I feel like is that we're sweeping liquidity on Asia Sesha high, and we are going to be trading inside of orb today. So I'm looking for the closure of a 2-minute candle back inside of orb. I'm switching my confluences from the closure of a 2-minute candle to the closure of a 5-minute candle. As soon as we break back into orb and close in that candle, I'll be taking the trade. Uh-oh. Everything was met up on my previous strategy for me to take a short position. I've been getting stopped out way too many times. You'll see that the MACD is open on the lower time frames. Okay, we have a brand new candle. It's turning green. I'm into the trade. Okay, let's just hope that we have a reversal. The sweep of liquidity is a valid idea, and that we head back up to this range, because once it does, this options contract will be worth 160. If it goes down by 20%, then it will be sold. I always use the $100 contracts because it's very easy to do the math. Down $20, then it's going to sell. Up $60, it's going to sell. And that's my trade of the day. All these red candles, we're about to have a reversal, I assume. So I've been trading the orb, but I've only been taking breakout trades. I studied all weekend long, found out a lot of things. That the orb is just, it's not something that you just have to follow. Like, it's a good guideline. You'll see that the bottom of orb and the top of orb are very key levels for the day. And November is historically one of the most bullish months of the year. So I'm expecting, I think that they said it is the most bullish month of the year. So I'm expecting the stock to just continue to make all-time highs this month. And I'm gonna ergonomically follow my strategy. You'll see that the validity of my trade is going well. We have the call option is in the green. There's low volume on this 15-minute candle, which means that I was probably right. This is a sweep of liquidity, which means that whenever people went long here, they put their stop loss orders down here. Market makers and banks are trying to hit that. Well, arguably. They're trying to take that liquidity, fill their buy orders so that they can continue the stock price higher. So I'm just thinking like a bank does right now. All right, that's my trade of the day. I will follow my rules this week. I will not be dumb. Last week I was believing in fallacies, that if you flip a coin 4 times, 3 of the first 3 are heads, that the next one will be tails. It's always a 50-50 chance. Can't believe in a fallacy. So that's the trade of the day, and I'm going to go probably play a game of Fortnite before I have to open my restaurant. All right, take care, everybody. Peace!